Viewers, today we are discussing about the jobs in the oil and gas field as a assistant electrician. After viewing the video, if you like, please subscribe and share. So what are the roles of electrician in the oil and gas field? In that initial entry level, they are taking as a electrical assistant or maybe a instrumentation assistant. These two people are the entry level employees. After that, getting some experience in that oil and gas field, they will switch to a rig electrician, and finally they are a chief electrician. And what about the rotation of the job? How many days they will work and how many days they will take the leave? That is 28. They will work for 28 days, and after finishing of the 28 days they will go for the holidays. The remaining 28 days they will take rest and again they will come for the work. So this job is a rotational job. And what does the work consists of? In this, electrician is responsible for ensuring the operation and maintenance of the electrical installations, because whenever the rig or maybe any operations going, at that time he have to take care about the instruments and also machinery. Whenever the rig finishes the operation, then he have to remove the all connections. After finishing the operation, again he have to put the all the connections as usual first. And the electrical equipment is kept at high level, so breakdown during operation is avoided. The electrician is also ensures that deviation from the explosion proof integrity of installations and equipment within the hazardous zones. And if is there any like situation, immediately report to the electrical supervisor. So that is the what the work consists of electrician. And what do I need to know hold that position? That means what are the eligibilities for that position? So here you see in that first point, it is like certifications, like a diploma in electrical field. In so many courses are available. If they are have, that is a value added for you. And the next one is it is all the people you have high degree in electrical engineering at a bachelor or maybe a master level also. And the last one is experience with the relevant equipment like motors, equipment, hydraulics, pneumatic systems, everything which are related to electrical equipments. So how do you will get there? You must be certified as an electrician with several years of experience. By doing your work, you will get the promotion, but you should have a experience before entering into this oil and gas field. So as you know that the use of this all these equipments and how the people they are wearing the PPE like suit, hat, cap, gloves, all the things which are related to. These are the connections of the plugs, as you know how to remove and how to connect. Whenever there is a rigmo operation, you should have to take care about all these things. And finally about the salary. The salary is like more than 90,000 per month in the working time, as well as in the off time also you will get the salary as a 90,000. If you like my video, please subscribe and share. Thank you.